Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is Seer Fish Fry. And this is also called as Vanjaram in Telugu. And this is one of the costliest fish when compared to other fishes. This is a simple fish fry but it tastes amazing. And we have ordered this from online app from Fresh to Home. The quality of the fish is really good and fresh. So let's quickly get into the recipe. To marinate the fish, take salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala, chopped coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Now mix all the ingredients well. If you wish, you can add some red food color to this masala, but I have not added. Now apply this masala to these fish pieces. You can also add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to this masala. Apply this masala evenly from both the sides of the fish. After marination, you can place these fish pieces in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan. Once this oil is heated, add marinated fish pieces. Fry these fish pieces from both the sides until they get golden brown in color. And this fish has only one bone from the center, so even kids can have easily. And that's it, our seer fish is completely fried. Now turn off the flame and let's take out in a serving plate. Friends, try this recipe once and I am sure you will love this taste. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.